Bad guys in the beating, by the way.
Na 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 na.
Okoman Radio.
Whether slim, whether fat, whether light skin or melanin. Baby, step in a circle and dance to the beat. Whether Angelique Kidjo, Monica Benedicta or Caro, or maybe Mancheri Coco. Baby, step in a circle and dance to the beat. Show body, show body, show body, my African lady. Show body, show body, show body, my African lady. Oh, bad body panny the tum tum, and you dancing with the rich mess is true. My best in the boom boom. You're rolling with a rock star, no be kum 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 kum. Check it for your man, oh, Juliana. Break it for your hand, oh, Maria. Check it for your hand, oh, Juliana. Break it for your hand, oh, Maria.
And I move like this. I'm so bad, make us speak Japanese. Konnichiwa, wa ginger the floor. Nana, Baba never seen that before. Walai, Chai, you for slow down now. When you program that, how you move around like a pole dancer. The most sought after. She can't cut my eye. But I fear to talk, she mami what I find. You see, Kele no be issue. I get beauty queens down in Mogadishu. So talk better make her feel you. Or make her get to step in if I need to. I did busy.
Wait now, I'm just playing the small play. You want to turn to rough? Bad guy, Kwame Eugene. This way do when you hear him, you stop. Oh yeah.
Show body, show body, show body, my African lady. Show body, show body, show body, my African lady. Oh, bad body panny the tum tum, and you dancing with the rich mess I my best in
Okoman Radio. 97.1.
Check it for your man, oh, Juliana. Break it for your hand, oh, Maria. Check it for your hand, oh, Juliana. Break it for your hand,
We are blazing.
Now that I have you in my grip, no time to waste. I will take you to my grip. You know you be my rib.
Okoman Radio 97.1.
Read my lips.
me, I know put me in the sugar. Baby, come give me hookah. Wouldn't send me anyway. Me, I know put me in the sugar. Baby, come give me hookah. Wouldn't send me anyway.
Alright.
Okoman Radio. Okoman Radio.
One trend is out to be serious. So all my life I've been waiting for a girl like you. I don't much watch ya. I see me and I put me in the sugar. Baby, come give me hookah.
We are blazing.
Alright. Switch from reggae to funk, I go do it for you. Me, I do it for you, yeah. You be my sweet chocolate. I see say the boy them the queue for the gate. Master key I get so I know the way. Real guys go relate, yeah. You be my sweet chocolate. I see say the boy them the queue for the gate. Master key I get so I know the way. I know my real guys go relate, yeah.
We are blazing.
A man who power won't text you and not you be
Okoman Radio.
fame hope back umpo. Min who mo bin kika, min brown mo be magic. Min who mo bin kika, min brown mo be magic. Min who mo bin kika, min brown mo be magic. Min who mo bin kika.
97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing.
Mini baby ako, mini baby ako. Madonna wasu, mini baby ako, mini baby ako. Mini baby ako, Madonna wasu, yeah. Monster love.
Station with your man Kenya. Okoman Radio 97.1. Hey.
Monster love. Unitasi, wo bottom na girls in bed. Kakrabe so wama, shene said you move fro. Wafu in Casena, dear now, boy simple. And I want you find I'm a sugar daddy and me a
We are blazing.
Be magic, me who being kiko. Quapua, mini baby, I call mini baby, I call mini baby, I call.
We are blazing. Okoman Radio.
If I get money, you go see that I love you. Oh, I love you, ma. Baby, that's why I'm working so hard. I didn't get it, woman. Don't mind nobody. Yeah, come on, jealousy. Very soon you go messy. I got you what you want. Put you in the front, no go do you messy. Me so you can messy me, baby, messy. I got you what you want. Put you in the front, no go do you messy. Baby, me so you can messy me, oh. I know say pressure go day. Soon everything go be okay. I promise you one trip for Dubai. One trip for Hawaii. One trip for Bali. Anywhere you want to go, dance with mommy. I will take that mask off your face and put a smile on it. And that's all I want to do for you. And very soon we go messy. I got you what you want. Put you in the front, no go do you messy. So you can messy me, baby, messy. I got you what you want. Put you in the front, no go do you messy. Baby, me so you can messy me, oh.
Hopefully, yeah, baby, yeah, and it's da. That's in from my team, Pune, Boba.
Okoman Radio.
No doubt, you don't know what to do. Now send me here when you my door. Butterflies in my tummy, and no, I'm giving you my love. Show me what you got. Yet enough football.
Okoman Radio.
You don't know what to do. Now say a warrior. If we get married, you gon' know say I love you.
97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing.
Me your old customer. We are so much in Tina. But should they be done for what you are for? What Tina?
Okoman Radio 97.1.
We gon' settle when everything is not well. Girl, me carry gentle. No other girl with me act well. Two of us like pot and capsule.
Okoman Radio.
Can't tell why we fight and we wrestle. I saw the wire. Me get the fire. I saw the fire. Running on the fire. If you not give, I no go take go. Only your love I appreciate go. If you not give, I no go take go. Baby girl, let's relate to what she sings to. No kissing, babe. No touching, babe. No kissing, babe. And don't call me, babe.
97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing.
No touching, babe. No kissing, babe. And don't call me, babe.
What else? Come to me, pump it.
Station Radio Man Kenya, Okoman Radio, 97.1.
Now me complaining was saying no use to car no. Cause I know what the Panamera na kofani Niyaka Butena what the key na koma brado. And see my kuma buy and I'm a friend of Bonde. But you know what of a girl what power one share. It would be I not grow women so I'm really taking a piss. Them a kind in their one pay. And see me so the one I grew I was it. Me be a girl.
Okoman Radio.
What you want to watch and I was so many what they can keep and dance me percent me so the moon pa. ABCB on a coast or your bay. All I gotta do is take your hand and run away. Papi put your car and I'm tired. Also, China Mama, I'm in better than the baby banana you late. I'm not gonna look at your face. Get the same. No kissing, baby. The person is so the moon. No touching, baby. Oh, my man, I know. No kissing, baby. The person is friend. Don't call me, baby. I wanna kiss you.
We are blazing.
So sweet, baby. No kissing, baby. I said the car will stop.
Don't call me, baby.
Success music.
97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing.
What's your name?
Okoman Radio, 97.1.
I beg God, they won't stay in your heart. Maybe I'm happy, but I prefer your heart. Although time about, so let me repair your heart. Give me a chance to wipe your tears. Come out all the advice you get from peers. Many love stories heard in your ears. The tears in your eyes make I know you the fear. But I promise I will be a better man. I know go tend to be a better man. I know say bad guys, they my motherland. I go love you the way you know go need another man. Yeah guys, you know your brothers from another mother. I could hear it from your voice, although you the shiver. I go protect your heart, make you be my diva. May day before I go down.
We are blazing.
I'll be here to lay your bed. Try to jam me home, gonna choke, I'm swam, I'm in your son. Baby, on you come fast. I'll be here to lay your bed. Try to jam me home, gonna choke, I'm swam, I'm in your son.
Okoman Radio.
Oh, forget you, and you wanna be a man. Forget you, and you wanna be a man. Forget you, and you wanna be a man. Oh, forget you, and you wanna be a man. Forget you, and you wanna be a man. Forget you, and you wanna be a man.
Be my baby mama. I shall watch you be me you wama. Or buy him a fia kobinana. What they were come mammy and come and medo wama. What did you come see at the
Station Radio Man Kenya, Okoman Radio, 97.1.
Tipping so mammy, they be me to trinsa. Can I the daddy? Can I the kill? A man of Dawson, so the one I'm a pill. Send him any aji, one I'm a show. A meme piaba or home and I'm a pill. Follow your heart, make you no follow your brains. Give me the chance, later you give me the praise. Made up for my chance, now me really good pains. Yeah, one of the moment you gonna stay with your grace.
Baby, gonna you confess? I'll be here to lay your bed.
Okoman Radio.
Come swam, I'm in your son. Baby, gonna you confess? I'll be here to lay your bed. Try to jam me home, gonna you come swam, I'm in your son. Oh, forget you, and you wanna be a man. 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 Forget you, and you wanna be a man.
We are blazing.
Let me show you something. I'm a rock star, some money no belong. Yes, I make a sound of me, but I'm nothing. I mean, I know the reason why I'm confronted. You know you boop and me come on there. When I'm with you, I see it on the day. You want my love, so bad they call you Bill. Benny, if you're like, I'm a little bit new.
Okoman Radio.
And me come on there. When I'm with you, I see it on the day. You want my love, so why they call you Bill. Benny, if you're like, I'm a little bit new. You confess, I'll be here to lay your bed.
97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing.
Baby, on you confess, I'll be here to lay your bed. I
supposed to marry her.
What else? I'm the pump with it. We are blazing.
I supposed to marry her.
Okoman Radio.
I just want to know, baby, do you ever think of me anymore? Baby, do you? Me see, I just want to know, love me, do you ever think of me anymore? Love me, do you?
Baby, do you miss me?
What else? I'm in the pump with it. I
don't say me that you know me together, but sometimes I don't wonder if you remember that. We used to talk about the way we go marry, nobody for come between us, man, never be what corner back. Do you ever think about the sex? Do you ever think about going back to your ex? I hope some boy for name I was stressed. Everything happened for a reason, but do you regret? Do you miss me? Meaning say they make me risky. I don't wanna cause trouble, I'm a little tipsy. My game home, I feel when I make you drink whiskey. I can't imagine life without you when I'm 60, so I just wanna know how you feel. I don't say you move on, but me there still. Girl, I miss the Netflix and chill. Me, I just wanna keep it real.
I just want to know.
Okoman Radio.
You ever think of me anymore? Baby, do you? Me see, I just want to know. Love me, do you ever think of me anymore? Love me, do you?
Okoman Radio.
So if I wanna see your face, would you wanna? Yes. I swear to God, I remember start a drama. If you know the night, tell me, cause me get ready for karma. Oh yeah, me born in me, so me treat you will come about. Yes. Me that you had connection on the level. Me need me know your phone, no be the devil. That me know my metaphor with this a pebble. Me name some party, I won't be in trouble, but what high. And my man never call about the beach. Yes. 12 o'clock and I do me never until the streets, I walk high. West life, no more than
Okoman Radio.
Where we the cuddle another sheet on the kai. Into quantity getting in between that. Me never be able to make it really with
I want to show you something. If you want my money, and you're dropping in mommy, me sipping in mommy. I want to show you something. If you want my money, and you're dropping in mommy, me sipping in mommy. You should know, baby, only.
Mommy, or don't mean your basa basa. And mommy,
I'll be the every mommy. Adore every mommy. I'll be the every mommy.
Rap now. Sani auye media wasi begumi. Unkwan. Udi ye mintina makay. Usubaya. Anona jiti mi mama kay. Dokunia.
I want to show you something. If you want my money and you're dropping in mommy, you're sipping in mommy. I want to show you something. If you want my money and you're dropping.
Okoman Radio 97.1.
I give you my heart and door, but you play me for a fool. Why am I? Or die am I? Why am I your jam? Why am I? Or die am I? Why am I your jam?
What do you mean by your dog man? All I rock star what you call my course, we now with your sat. Also when you sick and be as a stand the weather forecast, me from a class every corridor now. It's if you back who so was so home. And you make up a cassia and you movie. We see most of the just so was go new year. Phone so weather flights mode so go 2 year. Now me cast take time my son. You be fly go Dubai up a squash I know. Now me say say yes we feel crash I know. Say me that's so think when cry a crash that do. Response out St. John's grammar. But first phone you see can never say me the grammar. You see one put sick at time my yeah poetry and come to my
radio. Just see you pay me pure. Why I diamond dashing me your day. I give you my heart and door, but you play me for a fool. Why am I? Or die am I? Why am I?
Okoman Radio 97.1.
There we go. You know we live on the set.
Station Radio Man Kenya, Okoman Radio 97.1.
Oh yeah,
Okoman Radio.
Let's do this.
I give you my heart and door, but you play me for a fool. Why am I? Or why am I? Why am I the jam? Why am I? Or why am I? Why am I the jam?
What don't they mean by your doormat? All along, so what the format of your course, we ain't now with your sacks. Also, when you sick, and be as a standard weather forecast, me from a class, every corridor,
Okoman Radio.
And you make up a cassia and your movie. We'll see most of the jazz, so what's going new year? Phone so weather flights, more so go 2 year. Now me car say your time, my son. You be fly go Dubai, up a squash, I know. Now me say, yes, I will feel crash, I know. Seven that's what think, Quim cry a crash, I do.
Okoman Radio.
Response out, St. John's grammar. But first phone, yes, you can never say me different grammar. Yes, you want to. Sick a time, I'm a year poetry, and can be dim, some hammer.
Oh, just see you play me, oh, yeah, yeah.
97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing.
Rockstar. Adina.
Can you believe that every hour? Can even when I day shower? Can I think of you? I think of you. Can you believe that every hour? And even when I day shower? Can I think of you?
Okoman Radio.
You know for sure I did for you. Rain or shine, I did for you. Whether rich or poor, I did for you. I did for you. Come show me loving. Boy, come show me loving. Marima, Miniwa, baby, come show me loving. Boy, come show me loving. Come show me loving. Marima, Miniwa. Boy, I need you every day. I need you night and day.
Okoman Radio.
Yeah, no worry, I see you. Yeah, I need you every day. I need you night and day. She don't come from my paper. So that's super look at that. Super look at that. Oh, my baby, bad girl, you too fine. Girl, you too fine. Oh, yeah, yeah.
Come show me loving. Boy, come show me loving. Marima, Miniwa, baby, come show me loving. Boy, come show me loving.
We are blazing.
Come show me loving. Marima, Miniwa.
Okoman Radio.
Can't taste my life. Ever since she came out, I never felt this way before. I'm looking for a boy, daddy. See, baby, I can hold you. I keep your heart, girl. I never let you go. Come on, oh, bye, baby, yeah. Oh, bye, baby, yeah. I never think that I could fall in love like this again. Oh, bye, baby, yeah. Oh, bye, baby, oh. Hey,
we are blazing.
I can see my shorty from the driveway. Up and me pen, so what can I say? Anything we do it our way. How many times with a kiss? All day. When I jam in the food like a shize. Me when I me put do a baby. Or coming home from nothing up to the payday. Could they do the JJ? See, girl me I want drop kiss. Can you give it to me like this? Yeah, for shopping I forget the prices. So we tell me how could me than the ISIS. No matter what come again, and also be a crisis. But me feeling want you wanna do the right thing. Make I put a ring on it, now me forget the strike king. Big cars, more money, come sugar my thing. Listen to the song I sing.
Okoman Radio.
Oh, my baby, oh, I never think that I could fall in love like this again. Yeah. Oh, my baby, yeah. Oh, my baby, oh, hey, baby, oh.
Yeah.
We are blazing.
Sweet face, true love, walking on the beach, hey. Daytime, night shift. I can't wanna hold down, no be prepaid. You did deserve all the Gucci and the Balmain. Yeah, me wanna me pose, so chow man. Who don't know my me put to this a Shaolin. And then my bomb me violin. Shawty really like my thing. Or say me you're exciting. Girl, your body be enticing. Taking them what they done, I me pay icing. If I was sitting in my man, I mean you're supervising. You feel it when you wanna do the right thing. Make I put a ring on it, I me forget the striking. Big cars, more money, come sugar my thing. Listen to the song I sing. When it be born, baby,
oh, my baby, oh.
Okoman Radio.
I never think that I could fall in love like this again. Yeah. Oh, my baby, yeah. Girl, my baby, oh. Hey, baby, oh. You can't change my life. Ever since she came out, I never felt this way.
97.1 FM. We are blazing. Okoman Radio.
Oh yeah, that thing you to do when it make me say, oh yeah, that thing you to do to make me crazy. Come on, watch me. That thing you to do to make me crazy. Oh yeah, come on, that thing you to do. Oh, him my Brahmin chain, me and my Brahmin chain. Come make I put this thing on you. Oh, him my Brahmin chain. Brahmin chain, me and my Brahmin chain. Come make I put this thing on you. Yeah, make I tell you some story. Girl, you're the one for me. I dare your side, day and night, anytime when you want me. Make I tell you some story.
We are blazing.
Girl, you're the one for me. I dare your side, day and night, anytime when you want me. Just the things you do, just the things you do, where they blow my mind. I just wanna hold you tight. And baby, just one look at you, where they blow my mind. Baby, you're too fine, yeah. Oh yeah, that thing you to do, when it make me say, oh yeah, that thing you to do, to make me crazy.
We are blazing.
That thing you to do, to make me crazy. Oh yeah, mama, that thing you to do, oh him my Brahmin chain, me and my Brahmin chain. Come make I put this thing on you. Oh, hit my Brahmin chain, me and my Brahmin chain. Come make I put this thing on you. Go by, go by.
Okoman Radio.
Morning, go by, morning, girl.
Blazing.
That thing you to do, it make me say, oh yeah, that thing you to do, to make me crazy. Come on, watch me. That thing you to do, to make me crazy. Oh yeah, come on, that thing you to do. Oh, him my Brahmin chain, me and my Brahmin chain. Come make a put this thing on you. Oh, him my Brahmin chain, me and my Brahmin chain. Come make a put this thing on you. Go by, go by,
Okoman Radio.
I see your face.
Want you. All night, day. Yes.
I just want to say,
okay, my head.
My head. I know fit to connect with
Want you. Mommy.
I won't comport myself, I can't.
I fall for you, damn flat. Too. Once again, going out to you, Mr. Solomon Ado, Kai Komi. After Michia Ghana police for you and then my shot up on matter. Me reserve energy need your face you. It's on a watch out. Abushia on the 16th. If you are there, you should hear all black affair. It was superb lunch. Catch me live. Many Okoman team in presenters Waha. Afe marketers obia. Superb lunch. Abe saying man as what I say. It's all black affair. It's only black up, baby. Only black up, baby. Pataria to me na fa check what's up. Only wishishi. Never Saturday though. Oh mama. I'm ready. Yeah. Na Saturday no me say Kwame Mpere live in concert. Our regionals were tall. Make a Kwame Mpere Mr. All for real, for real Ponza. Into Dofuni Nyanto ticket in the Achale Waya Wapa Yesu Mani who is so mobile Philibi. As a so mobile Philibi. Adentina Ukrunon for Umpie. Adana we on Jimmy for Umpie. Adana again on for Umpie. Adana boy on for Umpie. You be go away on the hay. One for Irianko aye. Regionals were top party as a so jow. Is that so? I don't want you near Kobo. Now, I don't see the obedi more donate me as here. Jesus Ubomadia. Etia Kwame Mpere Nino my autono. Tiomusam. Adaminkwa. Inkwami. Namanani. Eti Mrs. Richard you Mpere. What do you cry that? I know the I don't know. You might be any chance and I'm doing him say mommy eko. I say Kwame minim dada. Eti you do okra. You do okra dada. You ko sign your man. The boys from Matthias here say. Ani mama Vic. Ani osofu mama Vic. Person you him handkerchief for her. Ono ne na ko sign your man. We fall flat. We fall flat for our wives and our girlfriends. Eti ave bizo. Our regionals were taught. A Easter on the Ridge. Now take note, say a 16th of February 2022. Time in here 6 p.m. sharp. Now regionals were taught. I will opposite the old Okre District Assembly. I will do home. They will be supported by Jazz Kings Band. Now Kayo regular near 50 Ghana city and a VIP near 100 Ghana city. After you drinks and a finger foods. What time Bibia will fear be pure highway? Yes, if I will be power num. Oh no, dog for more enjoy, and the pansary. What the idea? So, per ticket in Libya to Abra, a year Okoman Frontex was Abekabi. And now, total filling station. A woman fee was Abekabi or her. After Obama, dear copy more originals were told I do come on. Ticket in the Bio. Now, ticket in the Sania, a year and no damia, any animal torture. Ticket in the Aquana, I come from every day beer, and then my Usa boys are bapa. Gas and so over hapa. It one me Tobia Waya, superb DNA free. But Kaisa originals were taught the end of the year. Oh, for Rian Ponsa life in concert. Brandy and Jenny. For ticketing and reservation for numbers, 0244 333373 and 050 3337 Regionals Hotel and I say Bomadi Abra. It's an Mr. Kwame for you. Mr. All for Real. It's live in concert.
Give it nothing but to me for so long. Oh, is that the right?
Nani I want is a Dominion Herbal Powder and Penny for say. Adia Yapa Winya Obeko. And so Yaria Bomadia Tabiri no one be show ni pedrium. Etibino ka say Yaria Crankro. Abashio. Would you want when you are prepada papa? Niami yana sir. Me pesa wuko eye ahonkabli. Ahoden so. Anything I make come for Dominion Herbal Powder the amount say. And penny see ampa. When it's your my yentimi ninya, ye ninya also that. Na koba say Angels Dominion Herbal Center. Kofare by Amdi Dominion Herbal Powder about bontenzo. Asambre high blood pressure here so diabetes, stroke, spinal cord problem. Afe me no kasa insomnia. Wuntimi na. Afe other chronic diseases. Bia abehwe woni pedua no. Abusua bomadia. So we need Dominion Herbal Powder. Ebebo abusia. Bobby gu du pedua nim. Bobby gu ni pedua nim. Bobby gum. No ati ase. Bobby gum obo se sa yarwa nyina away of the hook kura. Woko pharmacy ni chemical and herbal shops bia. Osabeka Dominion Herbal Powder ibe. When it's a Gapsin Pharmacy for you, Mam War, Afe Delight Pharmacy or Hima Herba, Monsabeka Bio, Mampo Dora Archery Chemical, Afe Faustina Edu Chemical, Ebri Asunjay House, Yebe Anglican House, Monsabeka, so many Ansona Giza Pharmacy, Afe and Crime, or Kanshi Drug Lane, Monsabeka, Bakayo, Sawo Makwalanu for Wuntibenum, Afe Sambre Wonso, I want you Wuntibenum, Afe Wonso, I want 12 years. And below, would you mean no cry? Abusia, Dominion. See Bomadia from so open just open network. I was 0543 158195 0245 588266. A Angel Dominion Herbal A Limited. Omonomodi Dominion Herbal Powder. Abajama so assembly. Ya wodin, ya pomudin, se bosieni, ejina braniane sa. Oh. Na encha your response update bebro. Ba ma me no ko exotic ya sevo. Ye bebo madia kokwaduan plus. Waka the blows of acroposity. The blooms of acrosity. So that is here. Na woka kokwaduan masemi. Na omukro ya na di executive guest house. Aba. So that is here. Executive guest house. Ana modi aba aseme. The boy I can't hold. Executive guest house. And I did Kokwaduam plus Abomodian Bepium. Never share to you. Wobomodian copium or me titles or Manfia. Omon your poo for Frokra. Napu way Kokwaduam. Any executive guest house. Adding to my Abon Tomano. Emma Sambre. The first ever Grand Easter Pool Party ebro. Nakai. Pool Sakani in our room. Where the winning room you come walk order. Kona question. Na enjoy what will be in your radar. Ni akari di omo jare. Anything I may come for a year. Executive guest house featuring Kokwaduam Plus. I'm the first ever Grand Easter Pool Party. Ebro. Nabushakayo said DJ Skinny. And of a DJ Sky King. I'm gonna be your official DJs for Friday, 15th of April, 2022. Now time in here at 10 a.m. till drop. What you say till you drop. Na manfi ekwapem rate ni free. Enti frobi no bi so frobi na ka che ne sampa. Kwakwaduan plus. Any executive guest house. Eden tuma abontuma no. Ehia wo meet idols. Wofi open now come agis. Ofodi akwantempo no so. Ko now dey koju ani sa. Afi Ali's Foundation. CMN to adofo nyina say. Zion Hill School. Somebody Ghana. Obi aji atumu apie mantemu a. Ne no kasa idie. Amo baye presentations no kokra sana say. Alice for Foundation. Oh my donation ya ma mia baby, but this time around mo call a Zion Hill School. A hon assembly. The learning materials. Ebe kan kwala di suan send ebe yo umbetimi atwa ne ye. Na dwumadi eba so 13th of April. Eye chena 2022. Time near 12 p.m. Pepe. I was Zion Hill School. I was Koponi Kapem. Enkani okufutom. And no 70 year came. A hona jumedi ebe koso. Tiabushia, don't be late. Just join them and let's do this together. JDK Adum Enterprise. Amuso amuchia unjie mu odin. Yes, I'm someone who said Ghana for any abrepa bebre na person kukuri dance wo. And then obi didi kura na odwen cement ho. Na no me said the boy here calculation on the phone so I say Kwame me here 1,000 blocks. Na say the boy dey. I say me wie dan no. Na say soon. Na kai JDK Adum Enterprise. I was cement, iron rods, Nadwa ni na ope. F iron and F galvanized pipe, a square pipe, round pipe, angel pipe, flat pipe. F kayo, se uhia kota rod and the types be a uhia biano. JDK Adum Enterprise will be one man put a capim opposite at the Kwashi Hospital. No, I was shot from 0244-429533 and 0244-857-874. JDK Adum Enterprise. I see Bomadi Abra. Say a dance ye pan a win but building materials idea. In Chomu Hunko baby. And your mobile and fair. Kwame Akwaaba bibia boko de.
Phynest bibia come.
I did the boy knew the behavior then I'm go executive. Enwa. Ja, na Matisa Ghana just in Ababonte. Yes, pa.
Oh, anyefe.
Oh. Ana yesa. Anyefe. Think you want to so na me hwe say fa say nyefu.
Na hu ye na wo say fa.
Asa mete ye say mo ka.
Ana wo say fa pa no.
Yes, mo say fa pa.
Why say?
Writer.
I don't know who ye.
Say writer say fa pa. Na bo say mano. Na Ode. Oko right arrow.
Fantini bi akwame. Okodi aduane na ne yamuhwie. Na ne nua bi san say na ko ole yes a night. It's been amazing. Me ko White House dem a. Na ne nua say hey akwa America aba. Ehu busha. Right arrow there. Ade na nyefe kura. Ase ne wakwa White House aba no. Ehu busha.
Right. Nana Kwame and what's the latest update how they met you for baby omo bi actually maninko.
Right, Okoman 97.1 FM. I know.
Right. Nana Kwame and
hey, Phynest, yes, I say confusion. There's a confusion. I baza. And so Okoman 97.1 and every so na good emunsem yensono yentimi enfan tuja enfama dia ye bia sene amekano esemne dos ne mu ne sene fatano ene ne sono yebetimi ere aba ensono ere ama ne be chase ensono timi ere free baby jet asamojan enso akache ne reporter if you ba asamoja na kasa and you be say baby jet and am for tanka Ghana ya qualify Eco World Cup and anke do kwa anke no so betumi aboa ama bibi anso no letimi akoso na wo asamoja na kasa no why fit and why ready say the World Cup no ya do kwa wo betumi akobo.
Say this year na me retire any day. I think say I have to end the call up. I will say ebia me to me aye training na minya team me bo e will be me perform I know they have to I will say me any sa call up no and say e bia o Asamoah wa share goods so you see intino ofrifia na okobo no it doesn't work like that for me I think say I have to end the call up I will say me fit na me team bia me bo me homodin na on betumi aframe me that one I can honor the invitation. It's possible. Esida, ena yenya ya tibida. Rujamila asem ba na misade but ebetibi. But me put you say the most important thing is so I have to be fit physically, and that one there I feel say I'm naturally gifted player who can do anything on the field, but physically I don't think I'm ready. Physically, I don't think I'm fit yet. Like physically, say bibi sade I will say. Me making sure say me a fitter. I have to share some weight. I have to be in the right shape to play any competitive football. But you see idea. And I make I say CC no me might be kakra me serious training bia. Person me more competitive that I say me step up me game now me fit to be ready to play.
We're in some baby jet as Samoa Jan or also no Ichibena and any din come Edifa call up a man foka say young fan and count on also I didn't chair. And so no it me a pani you and business baby jet watch Ghana Black Star no a Branton needed Majida Shimeru and I feel so no Salisu Mohammed or Sarantino and Brante a squad no Yedion Becauna Yedion World Cup.
I watch him as a fan because it was a damn thing. I think he's one of the top 3 best defenders in the Premier League, which Ghana needs, so I'm a Ghana Dino so Kuichiri inti or you'll be all born home, but the name said. So person of national team na say there be why not, because it's not only the best defender in the Premiership, and the Premiership is the best league in the world. It is will be a top 3 best defender of Premiership. Definitely the person is eligible to play in the national team if only he's in the coach's plan. Why not doing so? Definitely he should be ready for the national team, but it be depending on any technical team. Ashimero, I follow most of the guys Europe, and Ashimero no, I don't know him anywhere. Sometimes no people cannot even deal with me because I'll look in your face and tell you the truth. And let's never out now. I felt he should be included at least because Anderlecht, a top team of Belgium, and we had some players who almost bought Belgium, and he's a key player in the team, and he was doing so well in this season. So I feel on coach no plan no crampuna, at least he should be in the national team. They compare other players now. On only midfielder he was informed at that time and now born in Homoding. And it's but I don't have any personal issues with anybody. I was just talking the fact, just expressing my opinion, and people did agree with me. And boy, like everybody agree with me, but I don't have any personal issues with anybody. I was just sharing my own opinion.
Winning some baby jet as Samoa Jan, and it took baby jets. Ye jam or corner and a drawn up on Ghana, Yenny Uruguay, and what now, and then Yenny Uruguay go Piamuka 2010, Koya Bacon no Coputo, Echo Boto Chene, Nansana no Crana, Suarez and Sacochebo, Sansam see 2010, almost to Luis Suarez, Kai, sub penalty na Boto Chene.
Suarez, me, Suarez say, oh yeah, they see we know 2010, he did it to save his country, and also on banker. Also, we had opportunity, we blew it away, but he had to do what he had to do to keep the team in the tournament. Maybe I make us say me want to shoes more. Not side way. I mean, so yes, me country. Sometimes people feel say I cheat, but he had to do everything to save the country. Only a red card, but sacrifice the country more could true. See, me want to shoes more. I mean, so yes, oh, there be. Sad time no more there. One say I didn't see. I fresh. Send Nkofo Kikano, me to run between Kaka Mekai, Sunderland against Liverpool. Yana Yabo home, it's your mochi Asiaba. And India me the no. I will perceive the body Nkofo Kikan Yama na kumiti be naive at that time. No, but later I'm bedroom home and me say I had to let it go because me Suarez I miss me the same.
Winning some baby jets as Samoa Jan, and so no it's me at 2 job at the fire. Yeah, Luis Suarez on one. Children say, I'm a fair fianca, obeying a dear, and then in some Branton, they are 2 Jan. Augustin info, Unusono, a former player, Edema Black Stars ball Edema Ashanti Gold go ball Edema Borussia Dortmund opana kasa ochire mu se ocha Black Stars na wo na ase Ghana for na kasa no yen se da more Black Star na ba so yen se da Black Star ne se ni omo ya de yen tie nsem o get na info eretuja.
Ghanaians are always quick to arrive at a decision on anything when it comes to football. But these are technical things that we need to do. And so on the day, on the pitch, if you are able to put your hearts together, the sky will always be a limit for you. 2006, we were paired against Czech Republic, who was the highest ranked team before the World Cup, against Italy, the eventual winners, and then the US of A. And then we did not. Ghanaians never gave us the dog chance to progress, but we did progress. And so I wouldn't look at Portugal having Ronaldo and the likes. I wouldn't want to talk about Uruguay having Suarez and the likes. And then South Korea having Song and the rest. I will also want to have Ghana, because they are also thinking of Ghana. Some of them don't know how we play. And so what I wish for is that going from between now and November, we'll have all our players intact. If I say intact, means that we wouldn't have any injuries in camp. We'll have the coach to select the best out. And this time around, I'm sure they are going to camp not less than 2 weeks, so that whatever things that he needs to get out of the boys is able to do. Recently, they were in camp for only 2 days, and you saw what they were able to do. So imagine if we have Otuado for the World Cup and putting the players together for 2-3 weeks, how they are going to gel.
Waiting some more guests and info former player Edema the Black Stars of Ghana. Editu Jam Abrani Yebisano Edifa Ghana Fonsen somewhere in Omoka Edifa the Black Stars and the M50 and Kopia Waman and Onusane UEFA Champions League games Mienu Ebetima to Jam Okopiemu or Germany buying Ayamunica or Tenefio Alliance Arena no and also any the Yellow Submarines Villarreal. And so etimi area point channel so first league no Villarreal etimi Tenefie Eche Bayern upon a Kabakwa by Munchin so entimi ante and second leg number 2 jam our Alliance Arena 7 p.m. Bayern and a Villarreal. And so a bit me po sounds now kopiemu our Spain here and Los Blancos Real Madrid the Galacticos at 7 p.m. our Santiago Esta Panapao now fin so now Chelsea the Blues at me at the point in the first leg no Chelsea brigo fie ama Madrid we trying to come in some Chelsea etumeti mu bako and then Chelsea for the point mu pompa crop ya santama check say Chelsea so no ebetumi enya nkunimtie na afi so matima qualify their copy mu e semi final stage into 7 p.m. Real Madrid and afi so Chelsea and at the point 7 p.m. and as game no ebetumi atuja anti Chelsea for no Monsan so and so I want the finest they be am saying 7 draw so na mum na se na fata sama
just you know Calaben you think if I to na me just
Calaben o dia na ofe
tell me who you everyone so they be to so na ma hwe na o just who they say who
me say anya fe nti
adentia
da bi wo hwa ya ofe wo just wo hwa ya ofe
tell me who you any
ya ofe
red no yefo
red no mo be
red no yam fe say we asa abofo na we ya sha be show bia
so we ka say white no ye kakra red no mo
o da red no yam fe red no yam fe
entira ko ayi we
that boy say
Kwame we of any okoto ibu ayi wo dia
Kwame
yaro
bi chiao
yaro ni ne ba kon so aba
o sa Alidu
okay Alidu say onuba aduaba bi ode bre me pa kwa me nye easy
ode bre o
ona de bi ode we ni bre
aduaba
aduaba de bi
so ana na no bre me bi no
mewo
ana say we find it be here bi so no say flat top before
me ko na Kwame
o
se ti na da bia me ka jo say
Alidu bi aba
me ka jo say
Alidu di na aba
yaro
di Alidu
aba
okay yaro bi chia yaro
oni ma so aba
yaro di niama aba
oni ma o sto ni mbruta
okay
o se me ka jo say da me no me ko to Nigeria bia me ko to ya
okay say Nigeria man ko ndi say me
o hwe wa me o se
ye ti just
dan na o kan ni nti a Davido a feature na wa man te wase afi na mate wase ani ati FIFA kura person Nigeria qualify enti no di Davido buy
why kai
oh then on social media
but that's it
only time boy ya bi abna kokko
na ayi
na come just we
just no
anim guase atade na om de akop na me say anim guase re ba senior mbaje no November December no
the boy me twa no but enye confirm na social media
we no mo dia ba
makura na we dan we de o say yebo Yesu asendua no ebra na atade ni gu fam no na mo ja na ye
say ti am ka say Yesu mo ja
abo fam de fa dwane ye abo fam de fa atade ni dwane ye
eni akwala obagana eni
Kwame Jesse we die yes omo ye ma white ni kwa omo ye ma na we Jesse kranka ye e ma no hani under 17 for
ya white ni dey dia ma house e ma
woman for the fokaba na woman for the fokaba omo pa aha mo class Methodist class the man for emergency and then you go Ghana
that's no
me say nyefe
na Charles ni Asamoah sa ohun Charles na go be dey come be banding forever then sakana
onza na Asamoah na Sunderland in England na Suarez and so Liverpool England you say Premiership do so na mchichi na ada na say abra Suarez ba no chene ni ma na cheno
ontimi nya no hwe
brigo bia
ontimi nya no hwe ontimi nya no hwe oye ni bibi pe obeko ombe banding forever
sankombe Suarez bibia anka Uruguayans na be ni bibi ono ne kromfo no the free akwa bi player bi Escobar.
Okay.
Ono ahye no Pablo Escobar. Ono ahye no odu ni Chrome airport on bonituo. Yeah.
I think Colombia.
Sama bonituo Escobar. Enti sonko so ball no se so ayi Asamoah Gyan share ana ka bibesi against Suarez. Na no kwasem ne se ne nsa na ode ball ye no. Kwame referee no gina mfimfin no. Yom bisa Italian referee friend Koninya. Otayi ni ti Sakura pa bra odi referee no. Ye bisa ne se near referee decision I say referee na person to match ne so I say referee na person to match ne so
am bisa Suarez
there be Koninya no am friend I think BBC was there
it wasn't a goal born in antra like and dey
obi gina ni na tra no
no gina ni no Suarez no jan line no
Emran say the whole circumference of the ball must touch the goal line
that rule no come but we it was
a goal e be she goal
on it track rank
ball be send say jigo
e fa san so mo
entino je penalty no
say nya net
and I say
entino je penalty no
I pass the referee no so ampo no na person to so
there be finest the boy there can some say ball no try line ko be jigo
me ball na di me ball here Kwame say Kotokone has incidency ye can
na music go na go
one ni ball mu say e soft but Kwame FIFA mra mu no soft tackle bi anim hard tackle bi anim first the Akwatia against South Africa
yeah bi FIFA mre hard tackle
and I'm say when hard tackle no we hard na soft ball bo bi achi wa Ghana ha ye penalty ma hard ball share Kwame omu show match omu foul correct cameras and show match no na ye hu incident say ye kwa eba left angle no right angle ni omu show njira ye enye fa na skill ni tactics players di bobo e bi nie hwe opa when me say dey no ya no be chi no ba so ba ko ya hwe it referee nation na dey so and pay one of the stages there here omu different angles by here dey no e penalty mama so sa masa afia Kotoko Beji league ba ku na ani age no hwe ne asevi efie mu nsanfo omu kire we kan ya wanfo ko shaba ko di matem so ne dey
right nana ne kakra ye ko na ne wo ne say Friday
fiada
ena Sambre bibi a chance here e fiada no ene ye ko Sambre superb lunch ebe ye pizzo eno all black affair me boy
all black
na all black all black
they black there in time but
say fiada
the color black is for Kwame for the color black yeah color Kwame for color and black and you say my me black and white no a fresh crown fresh sunsum no ntina obasha me hu Kwame bia ne ho dwo wo se ho nyo Kwame edi ne ho nyo me ho nyo check Kwame for no
na ho nyo
che wo ho dwo e ma nyina yeke ne ho dwo
na me so
no Kwame jai ha ye kwanchen o ja se wo ba bi wo no ma ho dwo ane de asem a bia be ka che me bu fu ko che Kwame Mpere A o nya hwe But if you are no move to me for an area, what I say, the black no is to welcome. Is to welcome. And then a black no, what's a black and not a hit. What I say, it's someone who got it to when you pass your.
And you know, if you don't know, all black affair was superb lunch.
Yeah, but G&E Papa.
Monsieur Montariano.
Some catch yourself. I mean, I'm a cousin who Saturday. I saw them who are one yet. And I am not a Jew. What no, you make it in a tear. Babies, Anna, oh, brother, I don't know, Casa. And because I say, when I saw them, and you be at the boy a hip life. Guitar is all guy, no. And I'll go to a Christian guy. And we be at I saw them war. But Okwajiwani, I know what to sue. Not to be a what I say.
It is Saturday, no, so you're coming for you.
I would
live in concert. I want a Ducrom, a Samre, a Becosopa, a Becoso, a Ducrom, a Regionals Hotel. Regionals Hotel, and only a Saturday.
Who's this? I thought ticket in the Achobi.
I'm at it, and then yes, what 200 on any papa,
baby,
on any papa 200.
Bright trouble.
I or Toby Mano.
Oh.
Hey, Ame. And your job is here, and you're going to be to be my. Hey, okay. However, all right. Etino Samre Munkoswan to ticket no another me actually Gusu ko kopa sote.
Pay a more about cousin or Jenny dear.
Hey, I mean who sent Crawford to your mouth as a Panam shall go.
Now, Governor.
Governor, so I better my governor.
Jenny dear. I am Yamiche.
Abraham, I'm a Jenny dear.
Mamma, come imagine dear.
Weekend, so send a bow.
Weekend,
ending.
You both matter.
Why I depart.
The Babano.
Adepa.
Nesino.
Adepa. Yeah, Adepa.
You remember what you Munaba. Abraham, imagine dear. Mamma, go. Beans Urano. That's right. Also for Ajankwa. On your bonnet can chair. On a open prayer. There's a Munina. So
now we have here a Jadu. A Jadu so my way.
A Jadu. Castro can any Rebecca. Castro Cano. Anna perseverance for
political Nina. Political Naku. One chief inspector Ata. DCOP. DCOP Chase.
Now this is regional commander. It's regional police commander.
Oh, DCOP Anderson
Fusuaka. On the driver.
Nelson Okreku.
Yes.
So Omunyina mejo omo ticket.
Okay, this is assembly.
Ataja
captain. Commander Adebuda.
Adenakawa Konana Baba.
Adenavara no.
Obviously,
good evening, bro. I'm watching you live from Accra, Trasaco. Keep it up. Please, can you send me the KG Junior song? Hey, Niana Mebono. Okay, I'll do that. Where your friend is Steve Asari. This Stephen Asari.
You wouldn't friend Steve Asari and Nanipano.
Debbie, KG Kwalazo. Bada, you wanna. Oh, fine. And I grab me more. My love will be a man every day. And okay,
Abraham Balance,
Abraham,
and a passion. No, should be.
Yeah, I say
all Butufantana.
Champion technician. I will see how the show still goes on. Thank you. Sunday New Year, yes, you are sorry. And also, Baba, so I will Christ.
Yeah.
Anymore, forecourt. Etikacho Bidobisun Kancho Bisampa, Ebeche. So watch out, this sister. Okoman Akwaaba planning program no superb, sir. Right from Friday, all black affair. Everybody was superb lunch. After Saturday, no, you called Regionals Hotel. And also for young person live in concert. After Sunday, no, yes, to a sort concert, no. And the gospel musicians are somebody have been meeting the manager ne did in Anamafo. Echina nyampa surprise pa ye ne Kwame Oforiamposa ebe kasa wo drive you so. Ye ne Oforiamposa be kasa live wo drive you so. Eti check out. Sorry as here. And somebody grab a ticket. Unya to ticket. Why yawa pa.
Unity Foods.
I
say I'm in Famra.
Oh, okay. And
I Unity. I say I'm in Famra. Na mkaje nza wono. Onni benku.
Midi. Kasaza. Midi say. Midi. Fufu na mini.
Oh, okay.
Fufu na mini.
Fufu. Na udi banje.
Medibida. Ba minya bi ninti medibida. Ba fufu na minni.
Na yema me eyi mamobu yema ne shede.
Too bad.
Papa Ekufu General Ekufu ne yere no nse ne 3 days ni na okam.
Okay.
Yeah na nse na busuani.
Okay.
Nti yema no yakọ.
And you feli nana na da ho.
Yeah ena ba ko Julius.
Mami JP
Julius.
Mami jia JP John Peter na mi jia Julius nso. Julius de ono a couple ba ko pe. Slow say no ayira. I was here to do Okoman Akwaaba, bro. But mami no kasembi. When him say dia ya we are saying say we no classmate every school no be any admission. Now we adwuma kura wunya bi nye. Na still. Omukoba onoma bebo amane chale school the school de bi o. Chale go see tertiary pa. Na no tertiary asem. Na ne ya kura ne say omo mu nya adwuma omo ko school master omo mami no mo hwe omo. Ba esa ne so omo ntifie da ne nti. Mami no onti ya obia. Officer ne ba no ko school da ma bi. Kavuza sa de na ya pa. O wie school oba be ya adwuma ma na wo de wo nko ba bia wo to no to ma odi o hwe wani mu a hu ahi papa. Ani ti na me kan for de ma says we fairly papers me enu me ensa bia. Enu che so we ase aba na we ye. You still have the opportunity to also turn things around. This is an enemy kind, you know. Me say let your past make you better, not bitter. No abomode to anamo. Ako St. Peter's College say me person me churo papers na me pass it. Not you. Emema ene ma your dormitory crowd the mam wo ho. Afeni your woman say about program it is a general art, business, vocational. Eno de crowd ye be twa buti wo ho. Ye be mo abin wo mo abin two trons so hwe na. Woni ha kra. Na St. Peter's College asem a omo ka yasemtia. Mama somebody said, about adequate supply of good drinking water. Omobi. If a wall a quick computer laboratory, experience a staff, a lab playing field. Omunyina will be. If you about fees in so be trying kakra bi keke. Kakra bi kitwa bi na kwa na okono. What? Not you. Abusia sama me pesa otemase enne say. Wonni nkugu enne enka se chira so be din nkugu. Wodi nkugu na ma nka kwa na tu anamo foforo na obetimi edi nkunim. For Reverend Father Joseph A. Labi, proprietor, it was 0243 640362. And Mr. M. A. Asari, it was 0243 657741. Mr. Joseph Adu, it was 0243 827438. St. Peter's College, Osibra, is an admission is still in progress. Na ejapa yempe for se minchiao. Wo pese wo kukuri dan no ho. Enso sika no hwa de wo bedu baabi. Wontimi nwie. Hwe ne yan se krache ababa obedi huni. Tutu anamona ko ejapa construction and general merchant for sure here. Eba quarry blocks 5 inches and 6 inches. Sand blocks 5 inches and 6 inches. Hollow blocks 5 inches and 6 inches. Eba eya sambre anwea wo pen wo tipem rhinom anasa open kotokom ana head pan. Ninyina no Japan construction and general merchant so my crowd the amount. Iron rods, binding wires in show. Abushia say who sit down. Now the quartier Japan the end wala. And you cause some. Nobody cause some. You cause some. But when you also do any better the work you happen. Is answer blocks I would do to be. Over from 0244719814. What sounds like a live band. Ubeti mi afre 0244719814. Jumedi bia wudi bia. Ejapa ben star filling station no. E wo de we kwapem. Won sabe komo. Ejapa na. Aso wa ma dansi aye mremremre. Show them. Show them. Give it to them. Oh, okay. Say good evening, Miss. I'm Bishop. Watching you live from London. Please, can you send me Package Junior? Okay. I see you. Where's your friend, me, Pipi? Greetings to all. Greetings to my family at Ebri. All the way from Kumasi. I'm just watching you live, Pipi. Okay, thank you. All right, here, Abusha. You saw me like about in penny for seven chow. Not me, Kassem. They been chow said ne. If you are bani you, would you jaw one any of my fowls? And your wallow walawana ope nene you saw me like about tea by yari bit to say somebody blood circulation na eye moja yentimi circulate ye wo ye adwuma kakra bi a wabre afa ni ekumi kra ye migraine ti yare bebre na sambre hwehwe afoforo afa damage brain cell ni nyina no hia ayisa medilac herbal tea ayisa medilac herbal tea na wabomodin abuagu ni pedwanim ebema bibia dadi e de ama ho jewo ayisa opinto herbal tea ene nso no se bacteria bi na ba oni pedwanani ana se general body weakness ase FTM a regulate acidic body acidity enti se wo obi a wudi bibi te se akutuo ana bibi acid wom na sambre bunya reactions bia ubetimi anum ayisa opinto heba tea ana ayisa opinto heba tea bi ayisa opinto heba tea wono ma abusua e cleanse body no esan cleanse umoja no e ma ne ye clean eti ubonse ni pedua no ebo adwuma sa seba kidney afi liver ubomodi anum ayisa opinto heba tea ya bonsampa bibia hye ne yakra ne se malaria typhoid fever jaundice se be hwa ni pedua na wunya ayisa opinto herbal tea ya e be clean once abusha kai ayisa minta herbal tea so wo ho e improve blood circulation e reduce cholesterol sabi esrade dodo e woni pedua nim afi ebomodin a esa yare bi ti say diabetes e reduce blood pressure so abusha ayisa minta herbal tea ayisa opinto herbal tea and ayisa medilac herbal tea seni anom no obomodi anya 250 mg ensure wo yane hyehye kakra na wo de teaspoon no asaba akon ade agum wo sagum anu wabo agobo wona awko no abusua wo hia bebre anasa wo hia bi atwa bomodi asa wo de wani be kire nankese ayisa off suhum Koforidua road ne so ubetimi from 0244 413247 0244-413247 and 0248-152323. Ana Koforidua Ideal Herbal Shop inside a taxi rank. Koforidua Zongo Jerome Herbal Shop. Efe area mama wo all nation traffic lights na same. Suhum Matisco Drugstore. Ewo Sunti Junction so. Efe Upesa Drugstore. Efe Oko Ekwape Mampoa. Faustin Edu Drugstore. Ebe GCB no. Efe Odanso Wobomodin akwa Kennedy Drugstore, Nana Chumasi Drugstore, Precious Chemical Shop, ni nyina won sabeke bi wo ho. Say ye sendro ni dia, and ye wanya wa yare sakura da 7 after 5. Meba, na me di Okoman Akwaaba. Stay tuned.
We are blazing.
Sayana Musuma baby ba. And yes, I may have quadrubi. Oh, you ma, what in a me fat to do. And as I may shoot to lead, Nasa was Syria. And yes, I may want to tell me. Oh, you ma, was Syria and I am before. Sink it here and do them. Hey, girl, you blow my mind and go for the I do. Cause I think about you all the time and all of the things you do. Girl, you make her the Rico. You make a Rico. Girl, you make her the Rico. You make a Rico. Say, man, she out there, come here in the air. Man, she out there, come here in the air. Say, man, she out there, come here in the air. Man, she out there, come here in the air. Stand there, shake me.
Oh, you are, oh, you are, oh, you are. Massa packing enfa, hey, I'm gonna do some kind love you. Share, but me jai nonka. When you last like a G golden killing. Share, or share ha on my simple, semi pit, na me do fear. Oh, you the day on that. She know the sin none of them, but I'm a bem. And papa them crash, you know give it them. Oh, my own my bem. Oh, come as them, the via my bem. You don't want my come. Yeah, oh, don't know that from Boko. Sasa, Sidia. Team fat, na my polish the nice. I'm an area what day.
KCB. Girl, you blow my mind and go for the I do. I think about you all the time and all of the things you do. Girl, you make her the Rico. You make a Rico. Girl, you make her the Rico. You make a Rico. Se me si auto, gamere ni ante. Me si aupa, gamere ni ante. Se me si aupa, gamere ni ante. Me si aupa, mi ni ante.
Kakwashi wini mi koko. Osombo crash and gold. Come give me some dodo. Mema undi ya bobo. Sound coming when me feeling so cold. Manu pro code as a bobo. Imagine me do I your show. We go blow control. Men's roll you be miss flow. If you be nice,
we are blazing.
We the one light up. Spice up my life more. Why I go the lie yo? My God. Flow king, send me door says.
Girl, you make her the Rico. You make a Rico. Girl, you make her the Rico. You make a Rico. Se me si auto, gamere ni ante. Me si aupa, gamere ni ante. Se me si aupa, gamere ni ante. Me si aupa, mi
And then 7.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing.
Fan count say be a we bush yam penekura wanye Okoman Akwaaba me hwehwe ne owo nia wotobo osu abrobo me de betu nanim.
You are my queen of Sheba. Sheba, Sheba, they make me shiver. Shiver, Shiver, baby I love you. Baby I love you.
And then 7.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing.
Una chicano, me una chu. Oh, baba, the baby, with you, no. Ah, again, if you're funny, how about you, Siri Kakra? No, don't need Kakra, dear. Let me wo, let me wo, let me wo, let me wo, let me wo. No.
Okoman Radio 97.1.
Within the A.K.A Castro, no Mandela Market. A one me watching Castro back up no size. Okoman for my de papa. Me film. Okoman for my monkey be woo. Oh, Okoman for my jenny na mumo ne yo. Ya mama jumapa and then the palm of the abo man you. Yes, you could have sing tree.
So they me coming out. Because we go be today, but yeah, in two hours they in the seminar. When I'm sad, Papa be when I'm watching you, Kwame for so and Yamina me can't come this year. 7 to the window. I was so young, to some of him. Once I come here, see, Casamunya was some guessing if you are chim. My main fan count say, yeah, we was young Penecura one him. One man is yapping, make you shiny your war, near what to war, or swabro war, made the better than him. Come in last and better swab a young one day. One peninsula made the trail come cross of a chassis. And you were there, and you were there, I said, and you were there. You know what time it is?
We are blazing. Okoman Radio.
I'm for you, I'm here, I'm for you, I'm to go here all day, I'm be, I'm here, I want to be one more, let me back, yeah, to play. Valengo, of a holiday in the night. Mami Valengo,
Okoman Radio.
Lisa, Valengo, and my dear, and my dear, come for you, come here, come for you, I want to go all day, I'm be, come here, I want to go. Champagne kakrada, na mi chaka na si so proud you are. Na mi kondo. Open wine,
Okoman Radio.
Red wine, white wine. Hello, Titi. Hello, champagne. Hello, Titi. Hello, champagne. Hello, Titi. Hello, champagne.
Na enadia anokuma court no ye hwe enkrofo say Easter feeling na gu but aye okuma mba ye no yamu hu ye program outline nyina but yanko ye chikakra anka Easter bedu a edin pa na ka wota ye deba oka Easter bedu a
Kwame yema atiefo nyina adwo
ena papa bi bisa me say Sunday ye Palm Sunday ana
Sunday twa hu no Palm Sunday
na me say ai
Kwame me chia perseverance for omo opam ade no ho no na mo say ejuni ye Okoman court ba kokura ni otoma me me nipa be say 15 egu ho no
perseverance
me na me ka kire
and mami chia no such a wonderful gentleman by all standards what to be frame no be some say me want to say me say omi nwa me o ye afa cha me o na me de
and dusty me safari for no I'm say that Korean organize them measure ho
right
yeah
mami chia perseverance you superb akwani is serious
Kwame
Taylor also do too and ACP and so too in fact you guys have been so wonderful you ba hey mo pam shayen na mo chere nyame shira mo papa
asema do to ho no say Easter ne feeling no asofo no ye ka ho ama Yes, wo no
edia pa na wo so no Easter bedu a wo kai pa se koso
o say Easter ne bedu a na nka o say yes e be go convention
okay mami me phone lines in 2 months wo friend na wo call ba edia na wo kai ba Easter na wo Easter no kra na wo di ni sen Easter bedu say na nka mo preparation to say 055416677755 enyum we me kai we nya I don't know.
Sunday now.
Sunday no. Palm Sunday.
I can say. Yeah, sorry no. I say I so now busy.
All right. Wait till me afre no wa kire Easter bedu a. How na mo no Easter mo prepare any say na mo di mo Easter baby ana wo say see ade bushia your program say ba but ma ye ni nkomo kakra ye nko ye chikakra na ye hwe na esi wo Easter mu ware ase ja
ka we kai na the Methodist dey na nka ye dey na ye wasore no how much na ye center dey white
yes
na ye the
brass band dimu
adon grand and then they want to see and we church of Pentecost for ke announcement ye call a convention ha na convention bus see na to so na akasei na esu
na afi yo mo convention
Kwame dwon ho be say 15 years in here convention bia
we sure
Kwame me see nyamso for no ma bre
Kwame
Christopher no
me say omombre
Kwame omombre ya prove me wrong what they say prove me wrong and about this time say bobo pata bobo because me take 2 is 1 month yeah no more the bedroom towards the Easter no what's what I say the no awon de na e ko Easter ni mu no e ko fam anya nne no nko 10 years down the line come say ga Easter be do a whole because flying tie ya ye born tente de ko asori we say e bobo esika no na akoto Easter down last day no you the trousers you the cuffling you the ade bi na the shirt ade mu o shirt ade na ne nsa no wa na the shirt no abu atoso na matade na short
wow
Kwame neno ni nyina no has gone down the drain yeah tiama we say anina ma Easter no I say baby for asum see ekoko see ekoha ni nyina so ye yeah the church has nada etirama wo mo se be som no atimi ade be atimi asom yeah this year no Remember from the American no. The American say na Easter be do a convention wo draw and then yebete bompire bobima omano bobima school for ne. E ko na nipa sakra. E ho na nipa sakra. Yeah, what is it? You call convention no asimasi rasta we twa gu yesi sakra apapa asimasi Okoman and Saso and now one even no the Easter eBay say your charismatic church ni no mo announcement here and sorry we atum by announcement pe
I know the yampa yeah you said that
but first no first but e bia me mo asori bia din but sorry especially since sorry no ye hu dede ye hu e bi kra ye hu akomche yeah, I want come che. It be 30 days, 40 days. No more yeah. Easter is be travel no. Omo resource. Omo resource. And then no. Me yes.
Yeah, asem.
E man wodi nyina tuko.
Asem pa, asem. Abusia some read mesrem pa na ne wo mu ne se enne ye hwe Easter bedu a ya hyehyɛ ya bebre na nka mo ye. Enkofo bi wo no ma Easter bedu a obi si me tukwa akɔha me tukwa Easter na utukwan
Kwame me nkai Easter matukwan ya me nkai Easter me ankasa say me tukwan ko baby dabi ebi ana asobi program mo invite me dey be na dey invite na ba but see am be pass ni nti because ukobua obi dia sa na oba na ode no asene na ya na hard drink.
Oh, okay. Okay. Yeah. All right. Entino atiefo betimi afre na mwache me se ne ya Easter no mudi ne fa na yenso enne dwumadi ya hyehye ne de bebre kwa dwumadi ya hyehye no bebre kwa ba me for frefo okay too bad wentimi anyina so right ubetimi afre 0551 667755 0551667755 and 0270191971 Easter bedua udi ne saying Easter no kra na udi ne saying Easter no na udi ne saying minim se bronya bedua nkofo to bronya atar Easter no asa nkofo nsheda anton tare yes
kwa mu se Easter no ya nsheda an classify say ya fashe ya nsheda an classify say ya bronya no ya fashe no
okay
what I say na se ya no am say asoro no yagigi sika ma amanfa hu say asoro prime bi on fa bia sika prime bi on fa bia no sika
ma mi fo bi wa ofrefo ya ba ya fro say dey o ka say fi
Ojo mi ka so mi ko for that from
hey aye boy bi chia Josephine ye chia Josephine ya ba no aye litrin kwanso am so di ni birthday enche bia
but
okay aye boy na Easter bedu na udi ni say
oh Easter na me baba di no every say teacher for your mistake must stop be bia to
oh
Friday look kwa egwe kwa na mi ti ati na mi say me from na ma bi say Easter le kala ti ana
say Easter no
o ma gwe kwa is Friday Easter Friday ya
bu school
let me say me from ma bi say Sunday be di Easter no ana but never matter nya emeka
you bu school Easter Friday no
if we dey move me pa na me hu ni
okay ya take you ever heard na Easter ya udi ni say aye
me be di no titi dialo ele do say school for lamba atuma nu
enti asa o ma be lock usika bi
so say dey be too di because that can be deeper Friday Saturday Sunday Monday
ya semo
school for no the be dey me kwa akokra
udi sikai eko twa wanu mu a okwa waso be hye pa ya te ya da se ayi bobo go fodi atum and I want to say oche
Kwame said say na ayi bobo kan activities from other side and so ma Easter no mu de ne ahoden no akofam e bia say Good Friday and see be school and and because the church no and so the church no cry e to be a omo ni je bia omo twen the other side of the calendar
right mo call the betimi about 055416677755 and 0270191971 Easter na mudi ni say Easter no na udi ni say oh baby awo Easter bedua na mudi ni say mama yehu say na mudi mu Easter no na samre yenso ye udia usu kasa
na me kasa ebi na ABA school Good Friday. And he said, Casson didn't want Jim da. I don't know, I wouldn't be organizing. Na bibi antimi mebomu anka aban antimi ka say obuye school Good Friday no and I make no me say like 20 years down the line Kwame it's the more hoden ye hu bio me think about this time parks ahodo so ye bo canopies ni ade I want to confirm oh se sia obi adwena ye no siko amanya mesom no kra no nipa mfam ahoden no enton koso anya mu ni mu adwuma kra yie so that me say come about this time anka man for me can say one church that see so say dey ko tele camp ni ade ya mu tu ko baby omo wo etena ka mu ne bomo me na ye koba hwehwe ni ade o just say na me no kwa me ni nyina no it boils down to here so for I want to church by say Yesu wuda no moja hwegu entina Easter ne bedua na moja hwegu esi a wan ntu kwan ya wan enko bi because mo no mo ka say Yesu ne be wuji yankwa ni moja ne papa e bone na mo aso asa aka na kwa benya accident mo sam na asore ne kwete na fra nti mo ahoden kwa me atwekọ ya enti Easter ne de na nka emu ni die no na nka e wo soro papa because ye hye fasting ne ade and kwa utwam right down from esro utwam akwa o je da hu asori bi kwa so ye nwumre sorry o je da hu bi
but Easter dey and get
yeah
wow
you know season
all right
yeah
abusia ye Easter no ene senia adofo bi previously no mo di no na me ka wo say on the 15th if you ada superb lunch all black affair Okoman any superb lunch any abomodian heading to my boy and tomano na ubomodian PM wo hono if you ada superb lunch for aboni ye no stronko all black every Saturday so Kwame Fori live in concert Ofori Amponza Mr. All for real na superb dia no Friday we kopone kwapem no na Saturday ye nyina de ani a kire edukrom ni akoye no sonko kra wo ho ono no ni ncho na kai no want you
Bagame anapai na ko de ka se mi se o si woni so ofra mpusa onyumsa onyumpa
overi
onyumpa
about our albums be say me show me ka be say 5 or say 4
onyumpa
our albums pa me cross check ya hwe
onyumpa
yeah kofi ofori amponsa ewo albums
ni one lumba ye
say asa no oba no nyina no album o two baby was once o two baby pa
yeah come Saturday there Kwame richness be there
abusia ye de nyina besi yende obi biara otie obi biara ofra ase mo am course ba ya ntimi ampeke mo fa nche yen nyampa echina midweek ye wo echina chi Friday na train na tutuku chaka sa ni ewurawura miamia ya hodo ya from me na Kwame Mpere obeti ya from the finest and mema nyina ka train me ne fa se da ka se mfa ma Victor hine da Kulisto wo na na oda mia Abigail Akufu afi DJ Donzi DJ Zigibi nyina bo machidom and I'm a best sumo macro Ghana. Remember this. My odo endu ka obibi biara be BM. I am out like that.
We are blessed. Okoman Radio 97.1.